If you're seeing the Monday.com error, attachment failed, or upload failed message, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick and practical fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a simple step-by-step troubleshooting guide, and by the end, you should have a much better chance of getting your files uploaded normally again. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's get into it. The first thing to try is the simplest fix of all. Refresh the page. Sometimes Monday.com just needs a quick reload to clear a temporary glitch in the browser or app session. So go ahead and refresh the page, then try uploading the file again. If the upload works after that, then the issue is likely just a temporary loading error. If refreshing does not solve it, the next thing you should check is your internet connection speed. A weak or unstable connection can cause file uploads to fail, especially if the file is large or your connection keeps dropping. Open your browser and search for speed test. Then run a quick speed test and see whether your upload speed is stable enough. If the connection is slow, try switching networks, restarting your router, or moving to a stronger connection before trying the upload again. If your internet is fine and the error still appears, the next step is to check Monday.com file limits. Go to Monday.com and open the board where you're trying to upload the file. Then look at the Files column and make sure the file you're trying to attach is supported. Check both the file size and the file type, because Monday.com may reject files that are too large or formats that are not allowed in that specific setup. If the file is too big, try compressing it or uploading a smaller version. If the file type is unsupported, convert it to a compatible format and test again. Another helpful tip is to make sure you are uploading the file to the correct place in Monday.com. Sometimes the problem is not the file itself, but the field or column you're using. If the wrong column is selected or the board has restrictions, the upload may fail even when the file is fine. Double-check that you're using the proper Files column and that the board settings allow attachments. You can also try a quick browser-based fix. If the page is acting strange, open Monday.com in a fresh tab or test the upload in another browser. A browser cache issue, an extension conflict, or a temporary session problem can all interfere with file uploads. If it works in another browser, then the issue may be related to your original browser rather than Monday.com itself. If none of those steps work, try signing out and signing back in, or wait a few minutes and attempt the upload again. Sometimes the server or session just needs a reset. Also, if you are uploading a very large file, give it a little extra time and avoid clicking away while it is processing. So to recap, the main fixes are: refresh the page, test your internet speed, and check Monday.com file limits and supported file types. In many cases, one of those steps will solve the attachment failed error right away. I hope this video helped you fix the Monday.com error attachment failed issue. If it did, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Monday.com problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.